Hi there, Carl Massy here, coach, strategist, author of 5 books, the most recent being Decision Making Mastery, and in this workshop we'll be deep diving into that because great decisions allowing you to be a co-creator in your destiny. So this short presentation I'm going to talk about why I'm charging $4 as an entry to my workshop, which I would normally charge anything from $300 to $500 for. The reason is it's not like some big scam. I'm not trying to trick you into anything. I'm not trying to do huge upsells. I'm not going to do some salesy thing on you. I really have been inspired over the course of this year to work out how can I best serve people. Given my skill set, given my life experience, 14 years as an officer in the army, 5 years consulting to Olympic Games around the world, coaching for 14 years, studied NLP, studied hypnotherapy, worked with lots of different people in lots of different things, done yoga for 20 plus years, lots of different things. So I'm like, with all of these life experiences and skills, how can I best serve people? And my thing is, I want to help people prepare themselves for moving into 2022 the strongest, most superhuman, powerful way possible. And what I decided was I need to teach people to be greater leader, warriors and sages. That's what's come up for me. So the reason I've priced it at $4 is I just want as many people to come in and do this thing. Now I've said at the back end, if you think it's worth more than $4, then feel free to slip me some money. I'll gratefully, graciously take it. And I won't force anyone into doing that. I won't push anyone, coerce anyone, shame anyone into doing that. I'll leave it up to people as an adult, freedom of choice. Come in for $4, experience the workshop for 5 weeks, see how you go with it. I'm extremely practical. I'm extremely passionate about this stuff. Do 5 weeks. See how you go. If you think you want to give me a little bit more money, give me a little bit more money, whatever amount, no judgment, no coercion, no pushing, freedom of choice. That's the reason why it's $4. And for those that know me, I've talked to colleagues of mine and I've said that this is some of the best work I've created because I feel so driven. It feels so purpose oriented. I really, really want to help people power up and bring out the best of themselves so we can raise humanity up and we can start creating a world that we all want to live in. So that's the reason. I'd love to see you there. 15th of November. Money back guarantee on your $4. If you invest your $4 and you think this sucks, then you can send me a thing and I'll push the refund button on PayPal and you'll get your $4 back. So 0 risk for you. Huge opportunity because the work over this workshop is powerful stuff, and it's stuff that I've learned over the last 20 years deep dive and over the last 52 years of living on planet Earth. So I hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you are on this beautiful, gorgeous planet of ours. I'm recording this in Bali on the east coast, a place called Chanidasa. Gorgeous day here, so sending you some good vibes, energy and sunshine if you don't have sunshine where you are. I look forward to you joining me on the 15th of November. Have an absolutely fantastic day and take care.